So I've got my 52-inch ceiling fan, and today what I'm going to do is replace the one that I have existing right now. One thing I don't like about it is that it has the pull chains. So if I'm going to go ahead and change the lights, or I'm going to go ahead and change the speed of the fan or the direction of the fan, because if it's winter or summer, I've got to get a ladder out and get up there and change that. This has a remote control. It's going to save me all that time. And what I love about it is these blades. This is what sold me on it here. These are all walnut. I mean, look at them. The wood looks fantastic. It's all really nice and stained. They're actually fairly light. This also has an LED light here, so I don't have to worry about any more light bulbs. And since it's all changed with remote control, it's just one press of the button and it's all done. So here is the remote control. I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. Then we're going to go over the features. I'm just going to kind of show you how it works. But I've changed several ceiling fans in my life, so this shouldn't be too difficult. But I'll let you know how that goes too. So let's go ahead and get started. I've removed my old ceiling fan, so now I'm ready to install my bracket. So I've installed the bracket, and what I like to do is do all the assembly that I can on the ground before I actually get up there to the ceiling. It just makes it so much easier. So what I'm going to do is show you the sequence that I did this in. Now this does come with 3 rods. We got 5-inch, 10-inch, and I decided to go ahead and use the 15-inch. When you do put on this rod, if you do, you just want to make sure you go ahead and feed these wires through there first. And there's this bell housing that's going to cover up these bolts. That's going to go on first. The second thing that you're going to put on is this little cover here. It does have some magnets, and it's going to go onto the bottom of this. This housing right here is going to actually attach the bracket that I just showed you earlier. So it's going to be up there just like that. Now this part here, this is actually your receiver. So it's going to connect. We have all these wires right here. They're going to connect to these wires right here. They're all color coded, so you can easily match them up. The only thing that you're going to do a little bit different is that you have 2 wires that don't have these little pigtails on here. You've got a white one and a black one. These are actually going to go to the wires that are coming out your ceiling. This is going to be your hot wire, and then this is your neutral. Now, before I actually put it up too, I put the ceiling fans on there. It's just so much easier to do it when it is on the ground. So I've put all the ceiling fans on here, and now I'm going to go ahead and install the light itself. I've attached this light housing to the fan itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this light up here and then put the cover on. Now that I'm almost done, I have my receiver up here, all the wires connected. Now I just have to slide up my housing, cover up the wires, and I'm done. So I'm all finished now. I got everything installed. This took me just about as long as it does any other ceiling fan, which you could probably expect to spend maybe an hour to hour and a half or so. I do like now I don't have any pull ropes, strings, chains, anything like that. I can all control it from down here with my remote. So with the light, there are 3 different colors. And what's good about it too is that, say I leave the room, I turn it off, and when I turn it back on again, it's going to be the exact same color that I had it on before, so it does have a memory. This is a 6-speed fan. The blades from end to end are 52 inches. And it also goes forward or reverse. I don't have to go up there with the ladder like I usually do and flip a little switch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this remote and go from forward to reverse. Also has a timer, 1, 2, or 4 hours, because there has been times when I've left the fan on by accident and I left it on all night. Now I can just go ahead and hit the timer, and it's going to go ahead and just turn off regularly. Also, we can turn the fan off right there. I can turn the light off, or if you want to turn the light off and the fan off, you just hit all off. It's that easy. So this remote is super easy to use. I love the way it looks, especially with the blades and the brown and the black. Fits my room here that I have, all the colors, they all just kind of come together. I'm real happy with it, and I hope you found this review helpful.